Vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid, is essential for maintaining the health of our skin, cartilage, teeth, bone, and blood vessels. It also helps protect our body's cells from damage as an antioxidant. Some people may not get enough vitamin C from their diets, which can lead to low levels of vitamin C and a condition called scurvy. Symptoms of scurvy include rash, muscle weakness, joint pain, tiredness, and tooth loss. If you have low levels of vitamin C or are at risk of not getting enough from your diet, Acerola C can help prevent or treat this deficiency. The recommended daily dosage of Acerola C may vary depending on your individual needs and health conditions, so it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional before taking it. It's best to take Acerola C at a consistent time every day to ensure you maintain a steady level of vitamin C in your body. Remember to follow the dosage instructions on the product label and consult with a healthcare provider if you have any concerns. When taking Acerola C, it's important to follow the directions on the product package or as directed by your doctor. The dosage may vary depending on the form of the supplement you are taking. If you are taking the extended-release capsules, swallow them whole with a full glass of water. If you are taking the wafers or chewable tablets, chew them thoroughly and then swallow. For lozenges, allow them to slowly dissolve in your mouth. If you are using the powder form, mix it thoroughly in the proper amount of liquid or soft food and take it right away. It's important to measure the dose carefully and take it at the same time each day to get the most benefit from it. If you have any concerns or think you may have a serious medical problem, it's important to seek medical help right away. Some common side effects of Acerola C may include diarrhea, nausea, vomiting, abdominal cramps/pain, or heartburn. If any of these effects persist or worsen, it's important to notify your doctor or pharmacist. If your doctor has prescribed this medication for you, it means they have determined that the benefits outweigh the potential risks of side effects. Most people using this medication do not experience serious side effects. However, it's essential to seek medical attention right away if you experience any serious side effects, such as painful urination or pink/bloody urine. While it's rare, a very serious allergic reaction to this drug may occur. If you notice symptoms such as rash, itching/swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing, seek immediate medical help. It's important to note that this is not a complete list of possible side effects. If you notice any other effects not listed here, it's important to contact your doctor or pharmacist. In the US, you can call your doctor for medical advice about side effects or report them to the FDA at 1-800-FDA-1088 or at www.fda.gov/medwatch. In Canada, you can call your doctor for medical advice or report side effects to Health Canada at 1-866-234-2345. Before taking Acerola C, it's important to talk to your doctor or pharmacist if you have any allergies, as this product may contain inactive ingredients that could cause allergic reactions. It's also important to discuss your medical history, especially if you have kidney disease or a certain enzyme deficiency. If you're planning to have surgery, make sure to inform your doctor or dentist about all the products you use, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products. If you're pregnant, Acerola C has been found to be safe when used in recommended doses, but higher doses should only be used if clearly needed. It's important to discuss the risks and benefits with your doctor. For breastfeeding mothers, Acerola C is considered safe when used in recommended doses, but it's always best to consult your doctor for more information. When taking Acerola C, it's important to be aware of potential drug interactions. It's best to keep a list of all the medications and supplements you're taking and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. This will help ensure that they can monitor any potential interactions and adjust your dosage if necessary. Additionally, Acerola C may interfere with certain lab tests, so it's important to inform lab personnel and your doctors about your use of this vitamin to avoid any false test results. If someone has taken too much Acerola C and is experiencing severe symptoms like fainting or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek medical help immediately. In the US, you can call your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222, and in Canada, you can call a provincial poison control center. Remember to keep all your medical and lab appointments when taking Acerola C. This product is not a replacement for a healthy diet, and it's important to get your vitamins from nutritious foods. Ascorbic acid can be found in citrus fruits like oranges, as well as tomatoes, Brussels sprouts, cauliflower, and broccoli. It's always a good idea to consult with your doctor, pharmacist, or nutritionist for more information. When it comes to the daily dosage and optimal timing for Acerola C, it's best to follow the recommendations provided by your healthcare professional. If you forget to take a dose of Acerola C, take it as soon as you remember. If it's almost time for your next dose, then just skip the missed dose and take the next one at your regular time. Don't take a double dose to make up for the missed one. When it comes to storing Acerola C, it's important to follow the specific instructions provided by the brand you're using. Make sure to keep it out of reach of children and pets. And when it comes to getting rid of expired or unused Acerola C, it's best to consult with your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for the proper way to dispose of it. Remember not to flush it down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless directed to do so. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.